Hi, I am Yuvraj. I am from Mumbai, India, and I recently graduated from UE Berlin campus. I chose to study at UE because of the course Innovation Design Management, because it offered a good mixture of design and business. And on top of that, the course being offered in Berlin was a perfect choice because Berlin is a good place for startups and design. The course quite helped me to understand more in-depth knowledge of design, which I didn't have before. And it also helped me to merge the design aspect with the business field, which I had backgrounds with. And the professors really helped me in understanding the depths of design and how you can use design to solve problems. The advice I would give to the future students is to make use of the opportunity that the course offers in terms of workshops, group projects, and also company collaborations, because that is the best way to get hands-on approach to the work in real world. So after completing my master's, I was looking for jobs in Berlin specifically, and I found a job recently at Share now. I am working as a UX designer for their business applications, which is to do with how they manage and run their customers and fleets of cars. So the plan is to be in Berlin and work with Share now and grow in the field of user experience design, and later on hopefully get into the field of automotive design.